Gaga and Cherry, Faff about him. Yolanda. Let's give this another go. Very few, I doubt many people remember this one, I don't know. Unless it's in their nightmares, which is very understandable. It's in mine now. I'm gonna hear that music when I die. I'm sure. In my dreams anyway. Ah!
Oh, it's in that blood curdling scream as well. Ah! It's like the one in Golden Axe.
Yeah.
Ah!
That one.
Like the women scream.
Oh, the
Yeah.
Oh, that platform's a pain. Oh, so go through the platform. This isn't. Oh. That bird would just go away. Ow. Ow! I just noticed how dorky a run is. Too busy trying to not die. Notice. Oh,
I know,
that happens every
face
time.
up there, like, looking very sceptical.
Yeah, she's like, oh, I don't trust this. I just don't. I don't blame her. Oh god, that music's playing again. Ah, oh, what the hell? Everything went on fire. I was there for too long and everything went on fire. Like every single platform. Oh. Where does the exit show up? Oh, it's just over there, so I guess we can go either way. But then some of these platforms might go on fire. Yeah,
yeah.
what a surprise. Right, noted. Noted that one goes on fire. For next
maybe
time,
it's the
if I
other
don't
way
forget.
round.
Yeah, maybe. It's probably both. I'll probably timed that wrong. Absolutely sure you can't get past this bird. No, because you can't land on that platform. Get on it. Oh, okay, that worked. Ah, no! Ah! Oh. She looks very proud when she's just standing there. She's like, yeah, look how far I got. This one looks so simple, yet it's not. And if I try to go on that, it just breaks. That one? Can't go on that one. This one? So
I can't reach.
Ah!
Oh!
Ah, there we go.
Right, okay.
Oh, that one didn't go on fire. That's surprising. Bet one of these will. No? Ah, no!
She can't grab back on, can she?
Well, she did, but because I was up the top, she let go again. She doesn't like donking her head, you see. She goes up the top there and hits her head. She's done. Ooh. Alright. Ah! She bonked her head again. She's like me. She's got an irrational fear of bonking her head on like low ceilings.
Because she's so tall.
Yeah. We'll have a go.
Okay.
I'm determined to see the end, but I doubt we will. Because it looks like there's a level after every level that we beat as well.
About
Oh wow! Oh my god!
Oh! Okay, the trick to there was that you had to just keep jumping.
Oh my god! That was amazing! That was like the best run we've ever had, and then it went, nope! That was incredible! I want to know to come up again now. Oh. After that amazing run, it's just gone. Ah, so you could probably do it again here then. Like the jumpy thing you just did. You just held it, didn't you?
Yeah.
It's a bit short here, though, isn't it? Tricky. I don't know. Oh, no, my ball.
Tried to.
My ball!
Right.
Ah!
There we go.
Ah!
Oh,
What a tease!
Oh, we were really off then.
I know what
Yeah,
to do now, though.
Yeah, that's the trick.
Yeah.
The multiple ropes.
That explains that. Makes more sense than what we were doing before, anyway. Ah!
Well, again, you probably have to time it.
We're getting there, very slowly. Even if we're here for hours, we're gonna get it.
I would probably jump over there. Hopefully that's not death.
Ah! She just fell directly downwards. Right. We're getting so close on some of these.
Now.
Ah! Oh, this was the one that you did earlier, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Pop, pop. So, now what?
Alright, I'll probably jump.
I don't know which one, if that one appears here or not. No.
Oh.
I want to get on the horse. Oh, the horse that's now a door.
Yeah, try and get on the rope and try to get really close to the top of it. Yeah, you can avoid the crab.
Ah.
And then when you're ready to, jump back.
Whew. Right, that's as far as we've got here. Right. Oh, there's boulders as well. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, it's
I don't trust any of these platforms.
It's alright, it's fine.
Oh no! It was playing the music again. That meant the whole level was going to go on fire. Oh, that was so close. I don't need to put my name because I am Yolanda.
Yeah, you're the daughter of Hercules.
Yeah. If I believe that, I might beat it. Ah!
Ah!
Oh,
Right, I
God.
have to be really quick with this bit. Right, really super quick. And then
Ah!
oh!
It disappeared, but it set on fire straight after. I saw it disappear for like a frame.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't trust that platform. So I'll just try it anyway. Ah! Okay. Oh.
Yeah, and then jump straight over there.
Hey! Oh, new level.
Right,
Oh
this
god,
is
oh god, oh
mostly
god, oh god.
ropes.
Ah! I didn't even get to try! Ah, okay, now what? Do I go down? Ah!
Oh, good.
Hey!
Oh, you've gone past it.
Get on that rope. Oh, that's another case where I've got to sort of... Oh, the eyes on these
On the rope.
fucking crabs. Ah, it's just like the other one, but more of it. Oh, I know this one now. No, no, no. Ah!
Oh! Right. Yeah, and try and go down that rope.
Yeah, I think I'll land over here first and then get on it.
Yeah, and get the rope.
That's it.
Now it's a matter of
Guessing which one of these ain't gonna kill me. That one killed me.
so we've done what we just did. So this time I would probably
Go a bit lower. Try and get on
Yeah.
the second platform maybe.
oh, that one to the right of you.
You sure?
I don't know. Oh,
Ah!
it's definitely not
That one
either.
killed you too! Right, I need to go higher. No!
Oh, quick!
Oh! Oh, I wasn't paying attention, I just assumed I was dead, and then I wasn't, and then I was.
Alright, some platform.
Oh yeah, we did this one. didn't
Yeah.
we? It was this one that I don't think I'm ever done yet.
Again, it's a case of going over the ropes.
Oh man, this one's even harder. There's less room for movement. And ah, we'll do that. Ah, that did actually work though.
Go through the go through both in ropes.
Just jump over. Oh, yeah. Do I hang on that one, or does that one disappear as well? Oh, oh, okay. Ah! Oh boy. I have to remember
Dirty
that.
Hooves one again.
Angry Hooves. I was well pissed off.
Yeah, I think she's a bit pissed off about being called Dirty Hooves because I think her original name was Dicty Doo.
No.
She got
Sure.
probably got annoyed with that after a while.
Okay. I don't think she's real, Stez.
Well, I don't think Yolanda's real either.
She is real. She is real. If we believe it, she's real. She's real because I am Yolanda. And I just died. Alright. Back at the spider. Might even be able to just hop it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, it's just a case of
Hop along here. And then it's this gauntlet.
boulders.
Oh. Just did that again. Ah, come on.
I would probably.
There's a bigger gap there.
Okay. 2, 4.
Hey! Now what? Oh god! Oh,
Oh dear.
I wasn't prepared because I've never been there.
Right, you've got the haystack one. Go to the very far left.
Ah.
And then go on the rope.
Ah, so we've been doing it wrong all along.
I think it's up.
No, not that one.
not
I
that
knew it
one.
wasn't that one, but I went through it. Gagalanda. There you go. I am Gagalanda! Yep. Alright, them fireballs are super fast. Hop, hop, hop. Ah! That went on fire too.
Yo, Gaga.
You read my mind! Yo, Gaga. Da. Yo, Gaga da.
Yeah.
There we go. Ah!
Oh!
Quick, 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 quick.
Alright, same with that one.
Quickly or just
Yeah, very quickly.
helps. Okay. Ah!
Oh! You have to jump!
I didn't. I didn't know. Go higher. Higher, higher, higher. No! She gets lower with each one, so you have to sort of adjust yourself.
Yeah, that sums it up.
How much are you enjoying this?
Hey, maybe next time you get a score, write something like Kickstarter, please.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, whole Kickstarter for Yolanda.
Yeah. Oh, he tickled me with his little, his little leg, his little hairy feet. Oh, okay. This is the one that comes up the least often. I suspect you have to go hop up. Oh, wow.
Oh, that was close.
That was really close. Ah,
That wasn't.
who is this bloke at the door? Why doesn't he go in?
It's not Hercules, is it?
Oh, I don't think so.
No, Hercules is meant to be her dad, though really he isn't.
Ooh,
Not-
is that a spoiler?
Not according to the actual Hercules legend, anyway. I still think this sounds like my
Oh.
dad's alarm clock, though.
My god, I can't believe he had an alarm clock that sounds like this. That is the worst noise
No,
of anything ever.
You could technically put it onto your mobile phone as a ringtone.
Yeah, that would
alarm.
make that would make you pick up your phone as quick as fucking possible, or just throw it out the window. Quick.
Oh,
Oh,
that was close. They just bugger off, don't they, into them doors. And then eventually you do corner them and you can just walk into them and that's it.
into their door. I haven't had this one last time. Oh, yeah, I got it. Oh, that disappears if I remember rightly. Ah, so does that.
Yeah, I only have like £5,000
With an
to
exclamation point.
to like put towards this.
Yep, there we go. Kickstarter, please.
Right. I have to somehow get across them top ones.
Up.
Not do that!
And jump, please.
She's very good at jumping, is she?
Ah, she's a bit poo at it. Apparently.
So I can't just put 90 something.
This one was here.
Yeah. you know, came after
If
this
this was,
game.
if it was James Pond, he would just like stretch to the top of the screen, climb
Yeah.
across, and win. Yeah, I'm thinking this is just an idea, which probably won't work, but it did.
Hey!
Oh god, now what?
No,
Oh, oh.
Alright, making things appear. Alright, I think we've actually done something.
My god, was that actually a whole section?
Yeah, I think you actually...
That was like 3 levels within that section.
Yeah.
All of this story isn't even about Yolanda. It's just about Hercules and what? She don't matter.
According to the actual Hercules legends, there is no Yolanda.
Oh, so they just made her up.
Yeah.
I think I could do this one if I just get the jumps right.
Right.
Ah,
Wait!
that worked.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
no!
no!
Oh, what the? Oh, is it another Leap of Faith level?
Looks like one.
Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, but
Except-
not there. But not there.
Well, we actually got a level done.
Yeah, wow. That's my top score now. It is now. Let's beat a level. That's all I wanted to do. I just wanted. Oops. Just wanted to do that. That's. I'll play it for a little bit more, but I think I think beating one level was
An accomplishment.
an accomplishment in itself.
But she's got another 12 to go. No, not 12. Another 13. No. Oh, I'm going up and down. She's got another 11 to do to get rid of her. Get rid of her man-killing curse. Oh.
It's probably because anyone she touches, they just explode into fire.
Yeah, that might be the curse.
Or any bloke she touches, she just blows up because
Yeah.
she seems to blow up on everything else. I'll give it one more go, and then I'm gonna call it quits. Otherwise, it'll be here all day.
Yeah.
Oh well. Oh, maybe someone should do a texture mod of Spelunky to have these sprites.
Hmm.
Right, it was that. Now what? Ah!
Ah! Brilliant.
Oh, I did it.
Yeah.
Hey, I beat 2.
Hey!
Hey, 2 of the 11. What? 12.
12
tasks.
Hercules.
10 to go. Yeah, ain't gonna happen. 2 out of 10 ain't bad though, ain't it? That'll do, won't it? Can I not have this curse anymore?
Forever alone.
Yeah. Forever on fire. Ah! Forever in flames. Yeah. Would that fit?
There we go.
Forever in flames. Oh, there it is. There we go. Forever in flames. Kickstarter, please. Well, I think we're done with this.
Yeah.
Because otherwise I'll be playing it all day and we will be multiple parts and people get bored. So, yeah. That's Yolanda. Thanks, Chris Sorrell. Well, I guess he just ported this, I suppose. But
Yeah, you did.
yeah, because
Thank you, Steve, back.
thank you. Thank you for making this game. It's actually, I actually kind of like it. It's really weird. I'm a bit glutton for punishment, I think.
I'm not sure if I can agree, to be honest.
It's yeah, okay. I do like that crab with the crazy wibbly. Oh, I just noticed the one on the far left saying.
What about the one in the middle? What
Yeah,
about
the one
that
in the
red
middle.
one?
Oh yeah, the red little waving
Alien.
guy. Oh, he's great. I love the sprites. Really cool. Yeah. Yeah, we're done here.